Hey, I'm Eric Blake. I'm a boat builder at Brooklyn Boat Yard. Years ago, good friends and I started Off Center Harbor to bring you inside the world of classic boats, bring you inside places like this. If you like the video, there's hundreds more. Just follow the link in the description below. Our good friend and Off Center Harbor guide, Havilah Hawkins, is no stranger to boat design. Running the 94-foot schooner Merry Day at the age of 18, and having designed and built his own 50-foot gaff sloop Vela, a chance to talk about having a boat designed and built was a real treat for us. So where would you start?
The first question I would ask him is, why do you want a boat? Not very many people ask themselves why they want a boat. I want a boat because I want that boat because it's drop dead gorgeous. Well, what does that boat do? I want a boat because I want to go sailing. Well, why do you want to go sailing? There are so many reasons to get so many answers to the why, and you have to ask why to the answer to the question why. And somebody told me one time, if you can answer the question why 7 times, you come back where you started from, you've got the right, you know what you want. If you understand what that boat does and why it does it, it might just be the boat for you. But I have been through this for 11 years with people in day sailing business. They want one thing, they wind up, well, maybe I need a multi-hull, when they thought they wanted a friendship sloop.
Once you really know what it is you want from the boat, what you're going to do, then how do you come up with an aesthetic? What is the aesthetic that really excites you?
I would say, bring me a photograph or something of every boat you think is drop dead gorgeous. Power, sail, commercial. Bring me anything you think is drop dead gorgeous. Now, what do you want to do with it? What do you like about that? Analyze all of these. What is it that you like about that Wally? What is it you like about that ocean-going tug? What is it you like about that Chris Craft? And see if you can't come up with something that incorporates
All those things.
as much of it as you can. I mean, I could show you half a dozen different vessels that this boat looks like, including most main lobster boats. There's a lot of lobster boat in the bow of this thing,
Yeah, right.
if you look at it close enough. That's the only place I could start. That's the only way I could start. And usually what you wind up coming up with is something that's not like all of it. It's its own thing.
Right.
But you may, and I would say look in some historic photos. I mean, there's some drop dead sexy shit back there. There really is.
At the end of this process, then what you should come up with is something that you can row away from with pride. You can have something which is truly yours, and that's what matters, is that it's yours, not somebody else's.
Thanks for watching this video by Off Center Harbor. If you liked it, there's hundreds more. Just follow the link in the description below.